In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery inside your Logitech M350 Pebble mouse. It's very easy and it can be done in just a few seconds. So let's get started. The first thing is, as you see here, you'll need to remove the top panel of the mouse, this plastic panel. It's held by magnets and you cannot break anything, I reassure you. So the first thing is just put your nails here in the crack that is all around the mouse and just pull it slightly. You see, it just comes up so easily and it's held by magnets, so yeah, it's very easy. Then once you have this panel off, you'll see the battery here. All you have to do is take your finger and just remove the battery by sliding it out of the case. This mouse takes AA batteries, like this one over here. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get some from Amazon. All you have to do is, well, take a new battery. To put it back, you just need to make sure that the positive side of the battery, here you have a small plus, is pointing downwards, okay? Slide like this, push it back, take the cover, and you just need to align it and it will clip itself. You don't need to push anything. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.